Our top news story today is the discovery of Anthophyta, 160 million years ago, the time of the dinosaurs.
Anthophyta, what is that? I've heard of angiosperm. Is that the same thing?
Anthophyta comes from the Greek words antho, which means flower, and phyta, which means plant. Anthophyta and angiosperms are interchangeable. So back to your question. An anthophyta is a flowering plant that produces seeds, so basically any plant from apple trees to sunflowers.
Did you know sunflowers produce toxic waste that kills other plants around them in order to survive? So, if an anthophyta are a type of plant, where in the planted kingdom do they fit? Are they a class or an order?
No, I'll tell you. A rose, also known as a Rosa gallica, is categorized as an anthophyta, which when looking at the classification, it is in the phylum category. And now to our field reporter on the scene.
This is a Narcissus tazeka, commonly known as a daffodil. It is a member of the Anthophyta phylum. The life cycle of the daffodil includes seed production, pollination, seed dispersal, and plant growth. The daffodil reproduces by a bulb which is inside to protect the flower from surviving.
Interesting. Do you see any dinosaurs out there?
Yeah, this is an Eddosaurus in its natural habitat.
That's amazing. The beginning of Anthophyta history. What could be better than that? So, why has the Anthophyta phylum become one of the most diverse groups of today?
The flower acts as a target for bees, so it becomes easy for pollination. Unlike other plants who have to wait for pollination, Anthophyta can attract bees, making pollination more successful. And back to you in the field, Leah.
I am standing near an Malus domestica, commonly known as an apple tree, which has produced fruit with seeds. This tree is considered an Anthophyta because the flowering plant produces seeds in the apple. It's a process, but the end result is real tasty. And back to the studio.
Thanks, Leah, for the apples. Say, how'd you get back from the past so fast?
I took a break several centuries ago and discovered tulips were more valuable than gold. What happened?
One more interesting fact, did you know broccoli is actually a flower and it will not explode?
So, if you've forgotten everything we told you, remember, an Anthophyta is a flowering plant that produces seeds.
See you next week when we discuss time travel. Is it real or not?
Thanks for watching.